Yeah, who do we have here?
I'm Taylor.
I'm Shannon.
What are we doing?
We're skydiving
For
today.
the first time ever.
Go.
Yeah.
Special reason?
No, not really. Date day.
Date day, yeah.
Yeah, we've been talking about it for forever. We figure might as well pull the
Might as
trigger.
well,
Let's do
yeah.
it.
Man, I'm all about it.
Yeah.
So, any final last words or anything like that?
Love you, babe.
Yeah, I hope the parachute opens.
Yeah.
So we're
Least
taking
one
him
of
to the
them.
grave, huh?
There we go.
Yeah, because
Sure,
you
it's
know,
funny.
if it goes good, they can still incriminate you.
True. Yeah, I tried to get him to take out insurance, but
You didn't? Oh,
I didn't
man.
get anything,
I was a
yeah.
little worried about that.
Dude, we could have worked something out.
I know, right?
Next time we see you, we'll be at the plane.
Let's do it.
All right, guys, you ready for this?
Yes,
do it, yeah.
Get up, get out. We're rock sky, have fun, high five.
Let's do it! Woo! Right now? Now we need it. Hey, what's up? Let's do it. Let's do some turns. All right, yeah, pretty good. Man.
What'd you think, dude?
That was good. I'll do it again. Yeah. Let's do it.
So, you know, like tomorrow?
No. I gotta golf tomorrow.
What's your favorite part?
Oh, free fall.
Free fall?
Oh, yeah.
What do you think of the parachute?
Oh, it's fun. Yeah, free fall is just fun. Just like loud, awesome.
Never experienced anything like it?
No, not at all, man.
Yeah. Would you recommend this to anybody?
I would, yeah.
So,
Yeah.
let's do it again.
Let's do it again, yeah. Thanks, man.
Yeah, dude.